Hey guys, let me show you how you can change the DPI settings on the Redmi Note 15. As you can see, I just set 600. So first of all, we just have to start by opening the settings on our phone, and we have to go for About Phone. Now we have to go for the OS version, and we have to just keep tapping like this until we enable the developer options. Now we have to go back from this one, and we have to scroll like all the way down, go to the additional settings. Now we have to go into the developer options, and here just keep scrolling almost all the way down like this, and now scroll up. We have to go for this DPI settings. It should be available somewhere here. Here it is. So the default one for the Redmi Note 15, this is the 366. And when you click on this, everything will look like that, super big. But you can get like 600. We can even try to get this 700. Let's see if it's not gonna blow up the phone. No, it doesn't actually allow us to go for this value. Let's try 650, and we can actually set this. The 652 is probably the biggest DPI that we can set on this smartphone. Thanks for watching this video.